In this video, I'm excited to show you a new, easy method to create your own talking avatar using free AI tools. Today, I'll guide you through the entire process of creating unlimited talking avatars at no cost and without limitations as of the time of recording this video. This is an amazing opportunity, so make sure to dive in now. I'll introduce you to 10 different free AI tools that you'll definitely want to bookmark and use over and over again. We'll begin by exploring how to create talking avatars suitable for platforms like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and even faceless YouTube channels. The key tool we'll use for creating talking avatars requires a short video clip instead of just an image file. So first, I'll demonstrate two different methods to generate text-to-video and image-to-video clips. The first tool on our list is Pixverse. Pixverse is currently a free tool that allows you to generate both text-to-video and image-to-video files. To get started, click on Get Started in Web and sign up for a free account. You can also sign up through the Discord community. Once you're in the Pixverse interface, you'll see various examples. When you click on Create, you'll find text and image options on the top left. Text is where you can enter a text prompt to generate short clips, while image allows you to upload a reference image to turn it into short clips. You can input a prompt, a negative prompt, and an inspiring prompt, which Pixverse uses to auto-generate the most related prompt, creating two different versions. You can also choose different styles, such as realistic, anime, and 3D animation, and select your preferred aspect ratio. Let's try this out with a simple prompt. Beautiful Instagram influencer model. After entering the prompt, it may take a minute or two to generate the video. Here's an example I created earlier. Although it's not super detailed, it's quite impressive. I'll download this video and try out the anime style next, using the same seed number to see if it generates a similar look. I'll also enable the inspiring prompt to generate dual clips. Pixverse will auto-generate two different prompts for the background and even give the model a name. Using the same seed number helps maintain a consistent look. Another very exciting text-to-video tool is OpenAI's Sora. Sora is an AI model that can create realistic and imaginative scenes from just text instructions. The realism, movements, and details are mind-blowing. Next, let's explore Pixverse's image-to-video function. I'll upload the image. I'll adjust the motion strength to 0.01 to ensure minimal movement, aiming for a natural talking avatar. I'll also make sure to turn on the HD quality. Let's view the generated video. It looks pretty good, but we might need to trim it a bit later since it will be looping in the free AI Talking Avatar Creator tool. Pixverse-generated outputs have watermarks, but don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll show you how to remove watermarks from videos for free using a tool called Online Video Cutter. First, click on Open File to upload the video. Once uploaded, click on the Remove Logo button and select the area you want to remove. An important tip: play the uploaded video to the end before clicking Save to avoid any blurring issues. Let's check the result. The watermark is gone. For images, Cleanup.Pictures is an excellent tool to remove watermarks. It's very user-friendly. Just upload the image, click Continue with SD, and highlight the watermark area. It removes the watermark nicely. You can adjust the brush size and undo any mistakes. Once satisfied with the edited image, click Download. If you need specific background footage for your YouTube videos, shorts, or social media posts, and can't find or don't want to pay for it, Pixverse AI is a great tool for generating your own footage. Another method to create an image to video is using Canva. Go to canva.com, pick the canvas size you want, upload the image, adjust it to the canvas size, and click Share, followed by Download. Select MP4 video under File Type and Download. This converts your image into an MP4 video file without any motion. To generate the script for the voiceover, you can use free tools like Perplexity AI, ChatGPT, or simply write your own script. Perplexity AI is gaining popularity due to its ability to list sources, show related YouTube videos and images, and provide related questions, making it an awesome search engine with a chatbot style. For the voiceover itself, you can use TTS Maker, which is 100% free, or 11 Labs, which offers a free plan along with super affordable paid plans with more features and voices. Go to ttsmaker.com, choose your language and voice, paste your text, adjust settings like voice speed, pause time, and pitch, and convert it to speech. You can listen to it before downloading. Although TTS Maker is great, sometimes you might not find the perfect voice, in which case 11 Labs is a fantastic alternative. It allows you to design a new voice, clone a voice, or use a pre-existing one. They even offer AI dubbing and video translation. Let's generate a voiceover using 11 Labs. Paste in your text, select a voice you like, adjust the voice settings, and generate. Here's a sample. Hey you, my name is Sora. You just saw me come to life. If there are gaps between sentences, you can trim them using CapCut or a tool called Gling AI, which automatically removes silences and bad takes from your audio or videos. Now that we have our avatar video clip and the trimmed voiceover, let's create our free talking avatar using Llama Studio. This tool is currently free and allows you to lip sync one character. Click the link in the description and click Let's Start. At present, Llama Studio can only lip sync one character, but upcoming features include high-quality lip sync and a face chooser, where you can assign different voices to multiple faces. These features might be introduced as premium options, but for now, enjoy creating talking avatars for free. With Llama Studio, you need a video file to create your talking avatar. The maximum file size is 30 MB, and it generates videos up to 30 seconds. If you use a short clip, it will loop, so ensure minimal movement for a natural look. Upload your video, choose or upload an audio file, and generate the lip sync video. It might take a bit of time to process. Let's upload our recorded voiceover and generate it with Sora's clip that we made using Pixverse. Click Upload Video, select Sora's clip, then add new audio and upload the voiceover. You can also choose from their preloaded voices. Press Generate Lip Sync Video and wait for the result. Here it is.
Hey you, my name is Sora. You just saw me come to life.
The quality of the generated video might not be the best, so if you want to upscale it, go to CapCut.com and use the Video Upscaler. Click Create New, Video Upscaler, upload your file, and export. Alternatively, Vidnose AI offers a free plan for generating up to 3 minutes of video. The paid version allows for longer durations, watermark removal, 1080p quality export, and premium voices. They also provide various templates for quickly creating talking avatar videos. Finally, let's upload the image and voiceover to Vidnose AI and see what it generates. By default, it removes the background, but you can turn off this feature if you prefer. To display the entire image instead of a circle, select Full Photo and adjust the size. For the voice, you can type in a script, use their preloaded voices, upload a voiceover, or record your own. Generate the video and see the result.
Hi, friend. Nice to see you again.
These tools are incredibly versatile, allowing you to remove backgrounds, adjust frames, and create professional-looking avatars. Try them out and let me know what you think in the comments.